Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool for all Dungeon Hunter 6 fans. I'm about to show you an amazing mod that works perfectly on both Android and iOS devices. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll also guide you step by step on how to get this mod for yourself. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome content like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. Once you open the game with this mod activated, you'll see a gear icon. Tap that and it opens the mod menu. The best part? You get unlimited emeralds and gems instantly, maxing out your resources to help you progress faster and unlock everything you want. But that's not all. The mod also includes other handy features that make your gameplay smoother and way more fun. Now, for those wondering how to get this mod, it's super simple. Just open any browser on your Android or iOS device. Here I'm using Safari. Head over to the site ogappbox.com. Once you're there, you can either scroll down or use the search bar to find the Dungeon Hunter 6 mod. When you find it, just click on it and follow the easy installation steps right on the site. If you run into any problems, there are detailed instructions you can check out to help you through. Thanks so much for watching. If this mod works well for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more mods and gaming tips. See you next time.